Wow, good morning, hello and welcome back to First YouTube channel. Yes. Sorry. This video is about our journey. Yes, we come across 3 states within single day. So I hope you're going to enjoy. Okay, after watching this video, अच्छा नहीं लगा तो dislike ठोक दो, अगर अच्छा लगा तो like thumbs up ठोक दो. So video शुरुआत से लेके end तक जरूर.
This is between Mchukwak and Pomram. हो गया. Rang to tinga ai gum the bay to them luang sang ko le nge ki kapaza min aku mak tinga gum kai de za min na min na sorang ai ram za po experience lu ko de. So this is in Zinam yes Zeri river. It's very difficult for us to come across. This is between boundary. Come on. Okay, finally we have to cross. If this hanging bridge is make more bigger than this, we can easily come across, even the bike too. But this hanging bridge is too small. Even we face difficult for us to come across if we carry a big bag. Here is Assam, and then here is Manipur. This river is called Zeme River. Saragadala pukia. Tangyagi. Simbo tangnya langai be mai kate mai puki. Ay yaar. Dimak kharap. Kuch ka pata jise. Hang lakti kleu da shangla da chui jai do. A chui yang ga da. Ai gum pui ta dai le na ya na. Wang ka dai mai na. Wang kampung lu za. Bike chota di za wang kam na bike punggap ranga wang kam di ba. Kreu di ba tele chu dre. Am pui ga na ta na am yang na seu da. Minau kuma rela minau kuma kana mara masai kana sia da. Yes, finally we are in Tining town. Okay, this is Tining. We are arranging for the show. Our show is beginning very soon. Going on right now after the movie. Hey. Thank you so much. How is my acting? Hey.
Hello guys, please subscribe.
Thank you so much for. It's the last moment for us. So here is our singer.
Everyone!
Thank you, Tining, for being support. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, here is our president. Thank you. Hello, bro. Thank you for singer. Namain song tao na pogari na paku. Right now we are leaving Tining, so it's really good to be here in Tining. It's very good. We nang rom la thai mot gak. Go singer puida singer. Nang dating na lu to chudi ko nang go. Katak ko mo. Nang album tebe.
Last year. October next year.
Okay, so go me. Pag channel subscribe te mamla subscribe te lo I agu description ge link pe ole. Ma jasi. Ai sa na go bike da na go gari point na. Na go journey te ja ta chong ba ja pa ja pa na mang na. Anai pu pe pet ja apo do pe pet ja te da. Kubile nanay ka bak pere ka bak jing tom ja nai ga film screening te ro bang ko da dego tarai bu ai ja ni do full support pe mo da ni do support pe mo da ja Assam do sawai lu ja anai gang ka song ton ta le ai ja tining ton Spon mi wang ai lu le ko ki ke fi da ga re apon I fi da happen ai phal ba phal kare man thata ko chi le no ni ba cha or lam pinang ole a bona de ke mat nang to to ko aya abos so ngai da ha oh videography bhi hobo cameragraphy bhi hobo everything is okay acceptable so rang lo na ro ga rang hi wa student mo fi da hone ka tu ni hai ai This is not a photography, okay? This is videography. 1, 2, go! Hi, this is my first time to be here. Rakan gya bizig na in my swang town gya film screening te wang blon apo. Swang government high school. Ya wang sang ai lu bizig na i. Apuni ko sport mi dale zai sei na ka puni ko sar me I get teaching staff to do lu bizig na puni na hanga pi pe bizig na si. I just want to say and I want to ask something about this school. So okay sir, nang lai ja nang na post school ga teaching staff da he. So nang na post school den dai kom running te ko me jai na ko kum na pat ko me se ba nang na po ko ga brief kon he about this school. So
hi everyone. Azizine Ramgongda GT Government High School Song. The school is established in 1972. And high school is upgraded on 2011. Saya anu cuna tak kebam sini kelas 10 pakalamui. Rang dia beja. Anu school ke metric exam cuna kecang bege maju nilu tema result is sangat lamui le.
Okay.
Saya anu gu namai anu kinape anu ni hong ba jilang ba paung sa beter sang da. Mai ko mungkin anu school tu le je. Hai ji ang lu sini sudah ter sang le saya ting be kai be ter sang de le. Aina hai nang lu ci lu je. Anu hai na government school ke le. Ini itu je makanya tu anu go je tu je. Anu age area ka kanna na emission ne tu bam lo ko se berang ai ta.
Okay sir, ina se baga apo je ansong area ga apo rin na high school le ba se le si de ka sang main de me high school je apo rin ne ko mai magda high school da amni ko area ansong area ga la re lo.
Private nga GMS le bam na kan tu je degree tu kam da tuna government high school na anu song area ga la le ka se be.
Okay, till that anu go metric result pa the SSLC result de is a tala le he. Okay. Ke dai na apo sport meet je namai na first time ko mena nang ni tati beting ko ngudo pi plon sang nai ja organize te bang ko lo
ai je da ni te je bang ko da mai ge le ja ni 4 to 8 April ga ni sports week ta ka ta bam da.
Okay sir, if you don't mind ani go student go total student hang da kile population hai nang na hare lu surang alo
luckily we have 77 students in our government high school.
Okay. You see that? So go ma po school ga nang ni na mission te ne jai na mission fee le ja se lo le num le te se ga the government school da he jai na ina se bata ka nang na sab le gom ja result le is a parallel si da ga so go men song area ga ba me nang ni hang ga ai ja nang ni sa nang kang to ki mak ja nang ni na ekwa mu bira ga kalwa ga bam ko le ja po school le bam do with the le si be nang ni do ai ga mission te lo la po school ja ina se bata ka ja ni ngom ta ka na is sang da ta la le ba Saya lu bijak na asar nang sote re den nang tipe bijak na peja nanggo nang bakang na nanggo student na peja KBB zai na nanggo student ba nanggo result nanggo school kana result pa EBB pam ra peja running nam den noi
Ferota.
okay. Hello miss.
Hi, hello.
Okay, if you don't mind, please can you kindly tell your name?
Okay, thank you for visiting our school.
Okay.
My name is Kataulio from GHS in Song.
You're from?
I'm from Dimapur and I'm teaching mathematics in high school.
Okay. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, may I know you?
Yeah, hi Hunglen Rame.
Hi, Unglen Rama from?
Yes, I'm basically from here only.
From Song.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Hello.
Hi.
Hello from California.
Hello.
Okay, may I know you?
Yeah, it's me, Bebo.
Bebong. Okay, you're from?
I'm from Chakasan area.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi.
Hello, Mr. Chiliang. I'm so
Okay.
excited to be with you today.
Okay, thank you so much. Your name? Your good name?
Myself is Waidoi Lekome. I'm from Nalong village.
Lalong.
Yes, Nalong.
Okay, you're
It's
teaching
nearby.
which subject?
I'm teaching science.
Science.
Yeah, currently I train this year.
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, it's okay, it happened. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Okay. Hazim hazim ha hazim ko na le no. Hazim 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 bam be zai hazim ko samne asi sang ko si te ka hazim ko na sen introduce te ra asi nang are lo so nang zirang alo.
I'm Chilung.
Silong. Nang ze so ram me.
Kokungoma.
Okay, nang apo school kan ko subject teaching te lo.
I'm teaching social science.
Social science.
Yeah.
Okay. Social so much.
Okay. Welcome.
Anyone left out? Okay. See the noise.
Thank you.
Multan, that's a yes. So right now we're going to have a selfie.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
But this is not photography, okay? This is videography.